Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO plugin platform, which is All-in-One SEO and Rank Math. So let's get started. Both All-in-One SEO and Rank Math are powerhouse plugin in 2025, but they shine in different ways. Rank Math offer a feature-rich free version with AI assistant content optimization, instant indexing, advanced schema support, and keyword rank tracking, making it ideal for users who want a premium level tools without paying upfront. All-in-One SEO, on the other hand, focus on the simplicity and reliability with a published interface, smart link assistance, and strong local SEO features. Its setup is beginner-friendly, and its premium version provides a robust features like video SEO and news sitemap that enterprise site loves. However, Rank Math can feel overwhelming because of its many settings, and some advanced AI features require a pro plan. All-in-One SEO free version is almost limited compared to Rank Math, and its most powerful tools are locked behind the higher tier plan. And here's another conclusion: if you want a maximum features and the flexibility at a lower cost, Rank Math takes the crown in 2025. But if you value a simpler, streamlined experience with a excellent support, All-in-One SEO is a dependable alternative. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.